Hey, I'm Merle and welcome back to Prairie Wings Performance. In this video, what I'm going to do is show you a simple trick that I've used over the years to remove a dipstick tube without breaking it off in the block. I have some videos out there of how to remove some broken exhaust bolts. Now, if you're going to remove those, you have to get the manifold off. And to get the manifold off on some engines, you're going to be running into the dipstick tube. So what I want to do is be able to show you the trick that I have. And the trick that I have is, this is an old brake flaring tool. And if you look, I have beat on this thing with a hammer like mad. And the only reason I keep this tool is for this very purpose, is to get these dipstick tubes out. Now, we're very fortunate because we have an engine out of a vehicle, so it's easy to access, easy to film, easy to show you this. Now, the thing with this is I don't think, lots of these are really corroded. I haven't tried to do anything with this one at all, but this doesn't look like it's really corroded in, so I'm hoping that it comes out quite easily. First thing you want to do is just get your brake flaring tool. Now this will, if they're really tough, it actually puts some good marks on the dipstick tubes. So what I do is I turn this into the block, because usually there's going to be a rail somewhere, doesn't matter brand engine, that you're going to be able to get a pry bar on, and then I try to swing this out so I can hit it with a hammer. So I want to have this where it actually beats or grips itself really hard into that tube. I don't want this thing to be slipping. Okay. And then the very next step is I'm going to use some sort of a penetrant on this. Now, normally I would walk away from this and let that soak in. I might even do this a few days before. Keep soaking it, keep soaking it. With the condition of this block, I don't think I'm going to be fighting this one too much, because I don't see a heavy amount of rust, but call me a liar, this may happen. So before you pull this off, you got to make sure that you got the bolts out and everything. But anyway, I'm just going to put some up pressure on. Oh, this one came out super easy. Up pressure on and give her a tap. And it is that easy. Not always that easy. Sometimes you end up having it where this will try and slide. You got to reset it and everything. This one popped out really nice. But as long as you don't get too crazy with this thing, I have done it lots where you can see this actual pinch in here. If we look really close, it's kind of the top lip where this stops on. I have had it where I've got them out, but this has grown quite a bit, but successfully been able to remove them. If we look really close here, you can see where that flaring tool really grabbed the dipstick. And that's the nice thing about this, is you're not squishing it, it's keeping it round. And I am sure that this is not the only trick on how to get a dipstick tube out. I've seen quite a few other tricks, and I'd love to know what kind of tricks you use to get them out. And it'd be great if we could add to that conversation, and this could be a helpful thing for other people. So if you don't mind, drop those comments in on how you would do this, as well as please like, share, and subscribe.